Hi guys, welcome back to Auto Portal. Today we have the Maruti Suzuki Swift 2024 LXI base version, but this here is a base version with a twist. This car has been heavily modified, heavily accessorized and has accessories worth rupees 70k. It's almost like a top variant, I'd say. So do stay tuned till the end of the video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel Auto Portal and also turn on the bell icon so that you keep getting our interesting updates from time to time. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's begin by seeing the key fob of the LXI trim. So as we've already covered the LXI base version of the new Swift on the channel already, you must have seen this key fob earlier. This has two buttons, lock and unlock. Now the Swift gets remote center locking from the base variant. So yes, this is not an accessory. The Swift now gets a new engine. It's a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine. It's not the K series, it's the Z series petrol engine, and this turns out about 81.5 PS of power and 111 Newton meters of torque. In fact, with this new engine, the mileage figures have improved to 24.8 kilometers per liter, which is actually really impressive. Guys, you already might be aware of Woodmo. Woodmo is the one-stop solution for all your car spare part needs. Be it any car in the Indian market, all their spare parts are available on their website and their application, which is available on both Android and iOS devices. In fact, you can choose the product according to the price you're willing to pay, so you have that flexibility as well. Go ahead and download their application or visit their website. So up front, we have a halogen projector headlamp setup from the base variant. So this is something that is standard on the new Swift now. This is the parking lamp and the indicator housing, but these are halogens, unfortunately. This fog lamp unit here is LED based, but this is an accessory. Let me just show you the accessory list with the pricing. So you can refer to this throughout the course of the video. So accessories worth 67,000 rupees have been installed in this trim, and I'll be taking you through all of them in this video. The grille is piano based, but we have this chrome insert which is a part of the accessory pack. These decals which run through the roof of the car as well, these are a part of the accessory package. This chrome diffuser unit is also not stock with the car. You will have to pay additionally for this. This trim gets normal steel wheels, but these blackened wheel caps have been installed additionally, and the tire size happens to be 165/80 R14. The indicator is on the fender, unfortunately. These ORVMs are completely manually adjustable, but this carbon fiber sort of a finish here is again a part of accessories. So are the sun visors and this chrome bezel which runs along the window sill. Chrome door handles again, and we get these side door moldings. The tail lamp cluster actually is pretty attractive on the new Swift. We get this LED tube running inside, and these are completely stock. The chrome bezel runs across the rear windshield. We have a piano black spoiler. The rear defogger has been offered standard across all trims, which is something I really appreciate. Again, a chrome sill here. We have the conventional badgings, and we have 4 parking sensors on offer. Swift gets a boot space of about 265 liters, which is decently practical. The loading lip is slightly high, but overall this should not be a major cause of concern considering the segment of the car. The seats are bench folding, no 60/40 split in this trim. The door opens pretty wide. We have black plastics all across the interior, so that is something that might slightly disappoint you because it feels a bit tacky. But overall, we have these sun blinds, which again do not come stock with the car. So most of the features, the creature comforts that you will see on this trim are a part of the accessory package, so I'll not be repeating that every time. All 4 power windows on offer. We have 4 speakers installed in this accessorized version, a few cubby hole spaces, and these are the seat covers. The Swift now gets 6 airbags standard from the base variant, so hence these seat covers are slightly different from the ones we see in other cars. These are the buttons for the fog lamps that have been installed. This is the button for electronic stability program and idle start stop. So the steering wheel gets a steering cover. The steering is tilt adjustable. We have toggles for our wipers and headlamps on either sides. The MID remains the same. We have a small multi-information display screen here. We have the tachometer and the speedometer on the right hand side. The dealership has installed this Pioneer audio system. So this is approximately 7 inches in terms of size, and we have some capacitive buttons on the left. We have a digital climate control in the new Swift LXi. So this is not an automatic climate control unit. This is something that you should keep in mind. This is just a digital climate control unit. So you have all the information getting displayed on this small screen right here. Twin cup holders. We have a 12-volt charging socket right here. 5-speed manual gearbox, no reverse parking camera, only 4 parking sensors. The glove box is decently sized, so it has ample amount of space to hold your documents. The IRVM is not even manually dimming. This is something which is slightly disappointing. No vanity mirror for the co-driver, and for the driver we have a plain bare sun visor. So these were the interiors of the new Swift LXi, a modified version of the new Swift LXi with Maruti Suzuki genuine accessories. If you're buying the base variant, this can be one of the best bets for you because there is no issue of the warranty getting void. So guys, this was a walk around of all the accessories that you can get installed in your Maruti Suzuki Swift LXi 2024. Do stay tuned for more such interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this walk around of the new Swift 2024.